don't think he actually likes it.
Hiya! Hates having my own voice, but I'm going to say it anyway. Hiya! Hello, you little thing you are. Smile for Mummy. Smile. Where's that smile?
I think he's trying to do something else in his pants.
What are you doing in your pants?
Going shopping, Who's just accepted me?
Are you going to make some more noises? See that on his mouth again, I like it.
Oh, Joe.
Make one more noise for Mummy.
Don't pull my top. Just like your mum.
Leaning back so I can still leaning back. Do that annoying thing on his mouth again.
I don't think he likes it.
He does like it.
No, he definitely doesn't like
Okay, say bye-bye then, Joey. Okay.